everybody and welcome to our conference booth. My name is Jan Konietzka and I'm a product manager here at inno-train. I'm happy to show you in the next few minutes our exciting new products we have. We are an internationally operating company and offer the whole product range needed for transfusion and transplantation medicine. We have offices in Germany and the US and sell our product in 45 countries across the globe with 40 partners. In 1998, we were the first supplier of molecular in vitro diagnostics for blood groups worldwide. Since then, our R&D department developed state-of-the-art in vitro diagnostics needed for HLA, HPA and blood group typing. What makes inno-train so unique is our holistic approach to provide you the full workflow automated from sample to result. For example, we have our DNA and RNA extractor, the BAX12-bead DNA extraction device. As starting materials, you can use the whole range of samples like full blood, plasma, serum, nasopharyngeal swabs and sputum. It's fully automated and needs 40 minutes to extract the DNA or RNA from 12 samples. It provides very high yield and also good quality of DNA. And, small hit, it's also validated with our corona test, the COVID-19 FluoGene-Q. Also in our product portfolio is our fluorescence detection device, the FluoVista. You can run on it all our FluoGene96 well kits. Simply do a pre-PCR measurement and then run the FluoGene plate on any validated PCR cycler you have already present in the lab. Following, there is one post-PCR measurement which just takes 4 minutes, and then you automatically can send the data measured by the FluoVista to the FluoGene software for analysis. If you prefer an automated workflow, then I want to highlight our pipetting robot, the Pure One. Each of our FluoGene plates is barcoded. You simply have to scan them and then the robot knows how to pipette it for you. There's a short manual on screen where to put your sample and everything else is done by the robot while you are relaxing. Last but not least, I want to present you our real-time PCR machine, the FluoQube. All our FluoGene kits are CE IVD marked in combination with it. But basically, it's an open system, so you can run any real-time PCR you want on it. For example, the Q-trace chimerism analysis for chimerism detection and post-transplant monitoring. It comes pre-built with 4 fluorescence filters, but can easily be upgraded to 6 filters. It also includes a barcode reader so you can transfer your data from FluoGene measurements automatically to the FluoGene software for analysis. Let me introduce to you our newest product line, the HLA FluoGene NX Match. It comes with an optimized protocol and reaction mix, so it now takes less than 1 hour. Our flagship product, the HLA FluoGene NX Match, is a typing for 11 HLA loci with a resolution of single antigen antibody tests and also comes with 23 CVD null alleles. But wait, before you stop this video and want to order it, let me also introduce to you our HLA FluoQube384 NX Match. The HLA FluoQube384 match kit runs on our newest family member, the 384 FluoQube. This is our 384 well real-time PCR machine. And it's so simple and easy to use, I will live demonstrate it now here. So here we have our HLA-FluoGene384 match kit. We provide you everything basically what you need. For example, the typing plate, we have the sealing foil, and for sure our enzyme mix called FluoMix. As I said, this kit is so easy and fast to use. I'll live demonstrate it now here, and I also will track the time over here so you can see how long you have hands-on time. First step, we will remove the sealing foil. All our mixes are marked in blue, except the negative control, which is in position P1 down here, and this is marked in red. To pipette the negative control, we need 4 microliters of water. I will pipe it in P1. Then we add another 4 microliters of our FluoMix. This goes also in P1. In the next step, we already prepare a sample. For this, we have DNA, 1 microgram of it. And this we will add into our enzyme mix. So we have an end volume of 2.1 milliliters. This needs to be mixed or vortexed shortly. And then we can pipette that into the plate. For this, we will use this tray and a 60 channel pipette. So we add our DNA FluoMix mixture into the tray. Pipette it up. And then starting from column 12, adding 8 microliters to each well. You can also automate this process using via FluoAssist. Just one thing you have to take care of. For the last column, remove the first tip so you don't pipette your DNA into the negative control, and pipette in the last column. And we're almost done. Last but not least, we have to seal the plate with the optical foil. For this you can use our Flu app and tightly seal the foil to your 384 PCR plate. That's it. Now we just need to centrifuge it for 2 minutes. So our centrifugation is done, and now we will put the plate in the FluoQube. Just open the FluoQube. Add your plate with the sample in here. Press start. We can stop the time, and that's all you have to do for providing your HLA typing with the 384 cube. So let's meet back here in 54 minutes and we'll see the result of our typing. The measurement is already done. Now I wanted to show you the FluoGene software. So that was faster than expected. Let me have a sip of my coffee. I hope you enjoyed yours as well. And now we can continue and I show you how to get the data from the cube into the laptop. Just have to open it. Each of our plates is barcode labeled, and with a scanner you can scan this barcode. and so the data will be transferred to your FluoGene software. This plate we don't need anymore, so we remove it. You can trash it now, it's perfectly sealed. And I will continue to show you how the FluoGene software works. For example, you can see the summary of your typing, or you simply print the result. That's it, easy as it can be. And finally, I want to make another big announcement, our newest product, the HLA NGS type. This is our HLA next generation sequencing kit, which features all important 11 loci in one multiplex reaction. You can run the kit on any Illumina platform like the iSeq, the MySeq or the MiniSeq. If you're interested in less loci, we can make a customized kit just for you. In the software you can check the coverage across each gene. You will see the heterozygous positions, and most often you will get a unique typing result, meaning 8 digits or 4 fields. In case some ambiguities are left, a P or G group summary is just a double click away. And now I want to thank you for the visit at the inno-train booth. Unfortunately, I can't give you a pen of us. But with this code, hashtag EFI 2021NX, you will get a 10% discount on your next NX product. If you want more information about us, you can check our homepage at www.inno-train.com or just write us an email at info@inno-train.com. You also can meet me or my colleagues live here at the conference in our Zoom meeting room from 9 AM till noon or from 1 to 4 PM. Down here, you will find some flyers about our HLA FluoGene384 or about our automation systems. Last but not least, I want to also highlight the on-demand talk of my colleague Dr. Sabrina König with the title Improved Donor Recipient Matching with TaqMan-based HLA FluoGene384 match. She will explain you our HLA FluoGene match products in much more detail than I did here. I hope you enjoyed the visit at our booth and I wish you a pleasant day. Please stay healthy and see you soon. Goodbye.